So about solving inequality, most of you did a really good job. In order to remove 6, we both sides times 6 here. So we got negative 18 x minus 4 bracket, and then 6 divided by 6, only 5x plus 3 is left. So we just get it accurately, negative 18x and then plus 72. We got 5x plus 3. Group every x together, negative 18x, negative 5x here, plus 3, and then both sides minus 72. We got negative 23x, and then we got negative 69. Negative 23x, we want it divided by negative 23 because we want x only. Negative 69, the same. We divide both sides by negative 23. And don't forget it, the action that you divide both sides by negative is trigger a change in the direction. So it should be smaller than now once you take this action. Not earlier than this, not later than this. So we got positive 3 here. X is smaller than positive 3. This is the answer in part A. And then afterward, part B, we are going to satisfy not only this one, but also together with this constraint. So we know that by part A, that means x is more than 3. And 6x plus 24 is larger than 0. 6x is larger than negative 24. 6x divided by 6, negative 4 divided by 6 also. This action, you divide both sides by positive. So it's do not trigger the change. It's still larger than. So x is larger than negative 4. And usually, in BSc question, if they give you these two together, you have to give the conclusion. While it's not a must in this question. So x is larger than smaller than 3. At the same time, x is larger than negative 4. In your draft, don't draw it in your exam paper. In your draft, we have two boundaries. The one is negative 4. The second one is 3. Make sure you know which one is left, which one is right. The smaller one is left. The bigger one in right hand side. So the first requirement, smaller or equal to this direction. Make sure it's long enough so it's easier for you to distinguish first region, second region, third region later on. So larger than negative 4. Our requirement here is n. That means we need to find the region, fulfill both of it. In this region, only fulfill the first one, but not the second one. It's not covered by the second one, so this is not acceptable. The middle region is fulfilling the first equation inequality, is fulfilling the second inequality. So it's fulfill the requirement of n. So this one is okay in this condition. This one not fulfilling the first one, only fulfill the second one. So this one is not acceptable. We want to stay this region, and the name of this region is any number larger than negative 4, at the same time smaller or equal to 3. So your conclusion should be x is between negative 4 and 3, and also it may equal to 3. Again, in this setting, it's not a must for you to answer it like this, but in most of the question in part A, if we already have the compound inequalities, you need to give the final conclusion in order to get the answer mark in part A. So in part B, I'm so surprised that there's some student list out all the possible number but give me the wrong answer, or they have some careless mistake in counting. So the best method to count it is using your draft. Negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to choose those numbers fulfill our requirement. Negative 4 is not okay because it can't equal to negative 4. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 is also available because we have an equal sign here. 7. So count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 integers only, not more than that, not less than that. So 7 integers. For those students who have mistake in counting, then I have nothing to say.